Worried about the pre-trip inspection test? We've got you covered. Okay, so for this question, we have damaged frame or cargo body for the minor defect, and then we have visibly shifted, cracked, collapsing, or sagging frame member as the major defect. So first, take a look at what these are. Let's take a look at it. So this is the frame of a truck. It's a big metal piece over here that you can see. It goes all the way to the back of the truck. There are two of them that run horizontally along the truck. Now, there are pieces that connect these two together. These are called frame members. I can show it to you back here. If you take a look at here, these pieces, they connect these two pieces of frame together. Those are called the frame members. So we need to make sure that the frames and the frame members, they have no cracks whatsoever. It's very dangerous and you're not allowed to patch it up. You're not allowed to weld it. It's against the law. So we need to make sure that there are no cracks along any of them and there are no shifting, no collapsing. Basically, they look perfectly fine. Now we also need to check the cargo body, we need to check the frame of the trailer, we need to check the frame members of the trailer. So we can start from here. As you can see, we have the frame members running along the trailer all the way to the back. We need to make sure that none of the frame members, they are collapsing, they're sagging, they are broken, and they are basically compromised in any way. We need to make sure that the frame of the landing gear is secure. It's not cracked in any way. And while we're here, we can also check the rest of the frame and frame members of the truck. And then we move to the back to check the rest. Again, we have to keep taking a look at the cargo body. Back here, we can inspect the frame members, the rest of the frame members, and the bogie. Now, this is called the bogie. That's where the trailer's axles are attached. We need to make sure that there are no cracks, there is no damages along any of the parts over here, and the frames and frame members are intact. Nothing is sagging, nothing is collapsing. We move to the back. Once we reach the back, that's very important. This is something that we use regularly. So we make sure that everything is secure. The locks around the trailer, the doors, we make sure that there are no cracks, no damages, and the back of the trailer is secure as well. The bumper, there are no cracks or damages on it too. So we just make sure that in general, the body of the trailer doesn't have any damages and there is nothing sagging or collapsing from both the trucks and the trailers. We do this for here and then we continue to the other side. Usually this is the part that the examiner stops you and they wouldn't need you to go all the way around, but you have to do your job. You have to go all the way around and it's important for your job as well, right? So on the work, make sure that you definitely do this test because there are major consequences to it. Let's try to do it like the exam. Okay, so the examiner will ask you damaged frame or cargo body. Describe and demonstrate damaged frame or cargo body. What do I do as an applicant? Damaged frame or cargo body is a minor defect. When we have a minor defect, we write it in the inspection book, report it to the operator, and we are allowed to drive the truck. Visibly shifted, cracked, collapsing, or sagging frame member is a major defect. When we have a major defect, we write it in the inspection book, report it to the operator, and we are not allowed to drive. This is the frame. Along the frame of the truck, there are no cracks, no damages, no cracks, no damages. Along the frame, no cracks, no damages, no part is shifted, collapsing, sagging. The frame member is secure, it's not cracked. I can see no damages. The frame members are good. The cargo body, it's not damaged. There are no cracks or damages on the cargo body. From here, the frame members, they're secure, no cracks or damages. The frame members of the trailer, as far as I can see, no cracks, no damages, nothing is shifted, nothing is collapsing, nothing is out of its place. The landing gear is secure. There are no cracks or damages on the landing gear. We move to the back. The cargo body, no cracks, no damages. The frame members, no cracks, no damages, nothing is sagging or collapsing as far as I can see. The back of the trailer, I can see no cracks, no damages. It is secure. And now I go continue on the other side. And that's where usually the examiner stops you.